Hi, DuEwa here, and I'm back with a new kitchen vlog. And this time I'm making vegetarian burritos. I'm sauteing onion, garlic, red, yellow, and green peppers along with my black beans. I'm adding sage, onion powder, garlic powder, smoked paprika, a little bit of curry, sea salt, black pepper, parsley, all of that, you name it. It's looking pretty good. Gonna heat this up really good, mix all my ingredients around, and then I'm gonna add it to my corn tortilla. Actually, this one might even just be a regular flour tortilla. I mix it up sometimes, and sometimes I even do the veggie wraps and things like that. It's just whatever you have and find at the store, whatever's good for you. Went ahead and added this all to a corn tortilla with salsa, a little bit of lime on the side. All right, we got some watermelon on the side because, hey, it's pretty hot and watermelon is so refreshing. Here's how it turned out. Bon appetit.